Alright guys, so this is going to be one of those videos. So sometimes when you go to an auto parts store, they have Seafoam at the front and they try to do as like a upsell, and they like, oh yeah, it takes care of everything, it removes water out of your gas tank. Well, to me, Seafoam is nothing more than snake oil. So by the time you put it in your fuel tank, it's hardly going to do any cleaning because it's so diluted by that time, and it does zero, I mean zero, for removing water. We got a video coming up in the backdrop, as you see, all the little different ones right there, and it proves Seafoam does zero for removing water. So to me, Seafoam is junk. It's literally just an upsell for the auto parts store. I've never seen anything improvement-wise from Seafoam, especially modern vehicles. Okay, older vehicles with carburetors helping remove some of the gunk, it can sit in the bowl for a little while. Okay, I can see that. Modern cars, it's junk. Don't buy it. It's a waste of your money. So anyways, prove me wrong. Comment below.